RealView has developed what is probably the most advanced 3D interactive visualization system. Our holographic system allows physicians to work with the patient's true 3D anatomy, appearing as precise volumetric holograms floating in mid-air. There is no eyewear, no 2D screen. We are presenting the real thing.
We have overcome some of the greatest challenges in the field of digital holography. Unlike typical 3D stereoscopic solutions, which project a mere illusion of an image, our technology accurately reconstructs actual points of light in mid-air. We provide a hyper-realistic user experience presenting high-quality, full-color, and real-time true holography. We've invented a concept that we call image intimacy, where we allow the users the full freedom to engage with a 3D image literally. In our system, the users can reach into the image, rotate it, move it, zoom it, or manipulate it in any way they see fit.
As an interventional cardiologist, I depend on medical imaging to guide me through my procedures. The first-in-man trials with the RealView holographic system, conducted in my cath lab, allowed me to actually work with live holograms in a true clinical 3D setting and to explore the unique benefits of a genuine 3D environment. For the first time in my career, I had the patient's virtual heart literally beating in the palm of my hand. I could freely crop the hologram to define a desired plane, giving me comprehensive understanding of the spatial anatomy. I was able to view it from any angle, rotate it, zoom, and move it about as I wished. You can mark a point or draw a path in the hologram and tag specific anatomical landmarks in midair. These capabilities can be extremely useful, for example for mitral and electrophysiology interventions, as well as for many other medical applications.
There is no doubt that medical holography will play an important role in the medical imaging industry over the next few years. We are currently in the process of introducing this fascinating technology into the field of interventional cardiology. We are targeting our products to be used in the future for surgical pre-planning, medical robotics, and 3D fetal imaging, as well as for additional medical and non-medical applications.
After observing physicians as they worked with our holograms, I truly believe we can have a tremendous impact on the way professionals view and interact with 3D information.